What's up, guys? It's Eric, and today we're out here on the range. Today we're going to be sighting in a couple new rifles, including a brand new Ruger American, my wife's new 22 caliber Ruger American Precision. Got a scope on it that my brother-in-law gave us, and yeah, we're gonna sight that in. She really likes doing the 22 shoots, so should be a pretty fun day. We also got the AR-10 out here and the AR-15 and a few other rifles as well, and some handguns. So it should be a fun day out here on the range. Hope you guys enjoy watching. What do you think about it so far?
I like it.
You like it?
I'm a fan. I do not like the magazines though.
Yeah. Stiff as hell.
Started before we sighted in. I started here,
Right.
and I assume these are also me.
Yeah.
And then he had me move here, and then here he did had me do 5 shots,
Okay.
and then he shot those ones.
Okay.
And then I did all of these just now.
Yep. Pretty accurate.
6 of them weren't in the group. The rest were.
Alright, so what are we doing, babe?
We're gonna play Battleship.
Yeah? You and Jeremy have a one-on-one. Ooh, it's so bright. Alright. You haven't lost yet. Your fighter pilots can still kamikaze his boats. Alright, Tiana's trying to hit the Cheetos. She hit the bottom Cheeto already. She just taped it up there with some electrical tape. But there's 2 more Cheetos up above. So hopefully we can see one of those Cheetos fly off. Alright, so gonna be taking a few shots with some of my pistols at this dom over here somewhere. I can't really see it, the thing's too far away. Alright, first up I'm gonna try it with the 45. See what we can do. Well, that's interesting. I had a failure to feed that one. All 7 rounds. Alright, now I'm going to try my Glock 43X. See if I can hit it a couple times. No, I had a malfunction. those hot Cheetos I had, really kicking in. Alright, next up, got the lever action Rossi 92, chambered in 44 Magnum. We have the 44 special loads in it right now, 8 rounds. So we'll see how many we can get on the Dawn down there. Alright, now I'm going to move on, and I'm going to move my target down. Instead of 25, we're going to move it out to 50, and start using the bigger rifles. See if we can get some hits on the Dawn with those. Alright, first up, AR-15. Gotta turn the dot on. Whoopsie. Ta-da! No. Oh, fuck. Broke the gun. Ta-da! Ready? Smoking. Alright guys, another successful day out here on the range. Really love coming out here to the Arlington Gun Range. It's a really nice facility, and we like to keep it that way. We've definitely cleaned up after ourselves and had a good time out here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys all have a wonderful day, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.